So this video got 12.9 million views, and one of my clients went ahead and just copied it for his own product.
And I just saw someone bought Gucci with pennies. Let me go buy a car with pennies. You always have to take it and ideally put a spin on it, a twist on it, do it your own way.
Phase 1. So when you're first getting started, you want to look for people selling the exact same product that you plan to sell or has the exact same offer that you offer, and literally just copy the most viewed videos. And you want to just do this until you get your first video that gets 1,000 views. So it shouldn't be too difficult. Phase 2 is you want to now look for products or brands in a similar niche and then copy their most viewed videos. So in this example, let's say you have a mini projector. You might want to copy the videos of people doing an aura lamp, LED lights, flame diffusers, anything that is in a similar niche. And you want to consistently copy until you get your first video with 5,000 plus views. Phase 3. Now you want to go ahead and copy competing brands selling competing products that are doing these in-depth unboxing product reviews. These videos are definitely a bit more difficult to copy as they require a bit more work, a bit more scripting. So in this example, if you're selling a mini projector that you got from AliExpress, you want to be now copying videos of Amazon projectors, these different branded high-end projectors, and you want to find videos that have gotten hundreds of thousands of views for these competing products and copy them. These videos will be a bit more difficult as it requires narration, it requires different angles, it requires stating facts and stats about your product and educating the customer. And you want to repeat this until you get your first 10,000 plus views on a single video. And phase 4, now you want to get into educational content. Create content educating people on why they should want to buy a product. In this example, let's say you're selling the projector. You want to educate people on why a TV sucks and a projector is way better. You want to educate people on the benefits of being able to watch a movie on your couch, on your bed, at your dining table. You can simply just set the projector and watch a movie in any setting. What you can do is you can go ahead and look at all these other pages on TikTok that is sort of producing educational content, usually for them to promote their own brand or product, and literally just copy their format of education. So again, we've gotten a step up in difficulty, but this is where valuable content is actually being created. So you want to rinse and repeat this until you get your first video to above 25,000 views. Phase 5, the last phase. This is when you want to go ahead and start scripting your own videos from scratch, thinking about 3-second hooks, thinking about benefits, features, thinking about a call to action at the very end. You want to read books such as Influence and Cash Advertising, learn copywriting, learn scripting, learn the art of persuasion, and now you're really sort of going off on your own. And this is sort of level 5. Once you hit level 5, you should be aiming for 100 plus views, and now you should be basically just creating your own content from scratch using all the experience you've learned from phases 1 up to 4. So here's an example how you can go ahead and copy existing viral videos for your very own product. This is good. Okay, now let's talk about possible improvements, but this is pretty good. The 1, you probably need to make the font a bit smaller. 2, I think you had it a bit high up. They got it a bit lower. I think this section where you just left it still is not good. You should have do what they did and move the product up and down. So you want to make sure there's always movement throughout the video. Whereas this video, they kept it moving. So the product is moving the whole time. There's always something moving. Yeah, I don't know. You should have used the exact same music. No, because the music, the sound is what makes this one good. I hate the rain and the rain sound and then the yeah popping up. This one you should have copied. This with the rain noise would have been perfect with your cat. The rain with this type of movies would have been perfect, the rain sound. But yeah, since you haven't had 1,000 views yet, maybe you want to revert and go back to just copying existing projector videos for your first 1,000 and then sort of follow this trend. So you definitely want to be consistent with it every day. Don't give up too early. The journey is just getting started. So yeah, that's a complete walkthrough on how you can go ahead and sort of grow your own brand through social media by modeling after existing viral videos, and how you can then transition and grow to a point where you're creating your own style of videos and edits.